So, good day, grade 7. This is our pre recorded video lesson for this week. So, make sure that you are listening carefully and you are writing all the important details of this discussion. So, for today's lesson, our topic is about the food health. So, what is food first? So, food is any substance consumed to provide nutritional support for an organism. So, food is usually of plant, animal, or fungal origin and contains essential nutrients such as carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, or minerals. So next, let's define what is health. So health is dependent on a balanced supply of nutrients. So eating different kinds of food assures the consumption of all the nutrients essential for a healthy body. So bakit nga ba tayo kumakain at ano nga ba yung mga dapat nating kinakain? So first, we have the different types of foods. Food health, and it's called the physical needs. So the physical needs mean is the body needs food. This need is called hunger. Food provides the body with energy to function, grow, and regrow itself. So next factor is psychological needs. So psychological needs mean is the food is also related to emotional or psychological issues such as stress, anxiety, or depression. We eat because you are hungry, or do you eat to satisfy your appetite? The psychological need to eat din. So, hindi lang pala ang physical needs natin ang pinapakain natin. Even our psychological needs, yung ating emotions, yung ating ano, pag-iisip, yung mga ating mental, diba? Next is the social and cultural influence. So, ito yung mga nakaka-influence sa atin sa ating pagkain. Unang-una, syempre, ang ating family. So, this is the strongest influence in what you eat. The family food choices may be influenced by tradition or religion. So, next naman na factor sa family is yung friends. Friends can also influence your food choices. The reason why junk foods are selling like pancakes in due to consumption of this food by almost every teenager in the school or community. Di ba kapag kasama natin ang ating mga kaibigan, sila din yung nagiging dahilan kung ano ba mga kinakain natin, nagkakaayaan, pumunta sa McDo, sa Jollibee, sa mall, kung anong kainin ng friends, ganun din ang kakainin mo. So, pangalawang factor is yung mga friends mo. Next naman is yung advertising or advertisement. It is every powerful influence in food choices. So the mouth-watering, the commercial in the TV and newspaper make you want to buy the food, 'di ba? Kapag may na-advertise na pagkain, like for example, sa mga social media account natin sa Facebook, may ma-scroll lang tayo na food, then nagka-craving na tayo agad. So malaking factor din yung advertising no ng mga foods. Next naman, availability and cost of food. So tropical countries like the Philippines do not grow other fruit from western region. Imported fruits are expensive, so we eat them only once in a while. So example, yung mga expensive is asparagus and broccoli, yung mga cheaper, malunggay, peche. So, hindi lahat ng kinakain natin dito sa Philippines ay nanggagaling dito mismo sa bansa nating Pilipinas. So, yung ibang mga food like mga fruits, apple, grapes ay nanggagaling pa sa ibang bansa. Ini-import pa dito sa Pilipinas. So, mga mamahalin, syempre, mahal yung mga nabibili natin, mahal ang makipag-exchange ng mga goods, products, services, mga foods sa ibang bansa. Next naman is yung food nutrients. So, what is food nutrients? The essential nutrients give your body energy like proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. So, napaka-importante ng food nutrients sa ating katawan. So, it makes our body healthy, improve, magkaroon ng magandang development para mas lalo tayong lumakas. So next naman is yung protein. So proteins is very important, it's very essential in our body. Why? Because all cells in the human body contain protein. So protein are important nutrients that the body needs to build, maintain, and repair the living cells. So the amino acids are the building blocks of protein. So sa ating lesson for this week is maraming karagdagang information tayong malalaman. So, ito, mga ano lang natin to, mga pahapyaw lang natin para magkaroon kayo ng knowledge or ideas about our next topic. Next naman is yung carbohydrate. So, carbohydrate, the main source of energy for the body is carbohydrate. So, there are three kinds of carbohydrates and it is called starch, sugar, and fiber. So, starchy foods include rice, bread, potatoes, pasta, and corn, while the sugar foods includes fruits, sweet potatoes, and milk. So, yung fiber, importante din to sa ating katawan because this is the good sources of fiber include leafy vegetables, fruits with peel, and cereals. Next naman is yung fats. So, ano nga ba ang fats? So, importante rin pala na meron tayong fats sa ating katawan. Wag lang sosobra. So, lahat ng mga kinakain natin, lahat ng ginagawa natin is okay, but it is not okay if it's too much. So, fats are the oily substances in some foods and provide twice as much calories as carbohydrate. For this reason, the body needs only a small amount of fat, no? Small amount lang po. So, food that contain fat fall into two groups. No? Hinati siya sa animal fat and vegetable fats. Next is kinds of fat. We have the saturated fat. This is the solid at room temperature. They are found in meat, butter, and cheese. So, ayun yung saturated fat. While the unsaturated fat, this is the liquid at room temperature. Olive oil, corn oil, and coconut oil are example of vegetable oil. So, when we say saturated fat, ito yung mga fats na nakukuha natin mula sa mga animals like yung mga meat, butter, and cheese. While the unsaturated fat, ito naman yung mga fat na nakukuha natin mula sa mga vegetable. Ayan, meron tayong mga vegetable oil. Ayan, so it needs only a small amount. Next naman natin is yung vitamins and minerals. So what is vitamins, no? These are the nutrients that your body needs to function and fight off disease. Your body cannot produce vitamins itself, so you must get them through food you eat or in some cases supplements. So meron tayong mga iniinom na vitamins, 'di ba? Meron tayong vitamin A, vitamin B, C, D, 'di ba? At bawat mga letter na yon ay may importansya, meron siyang purpose, meron siyang use sa ating katawan. So, importante yung vitamins. Mga small amount lang ito ng vitamins. Hindi pwede nung sobrang dami mong iniinom din na vitamins talaga. Yung sabay-sabay. Meron naman tayong mga vitamins na nandun na lahat, like yung Centrum, di ba? Mga importante yan sa ating katawan. Vitamin C, pampalakas ng ating immune system, no? At magkakaroon pa tayo ng ibang information sa ating lesson for this week, sa ating session, live session. So, there are two kinds of vitamins. We have the water-soluble and fat-soluble. So, water-soluble vitamins dissolve only in water. This include vitamin C and a group of B-complex vitamins. So, ayan yung mga example natin ng mga water-soluble vitamins. No, thiamine, mga puro vitamin B. Yan. So, next naman is yung fat-soluble vitamins. The fat-soluble vitamins are those that are dissolved in fats. This includes vitamin A, D, E, and K. So, ayun yung mga example natin ng mga fat-soluble vitamins. Yung vitamin A para sa ating vision, sa health. Vitamin D, it fortifies our bone, pinapalakas ang ating mga buto. While the vitamin E is para sa ating cholesterol, sa health cholesterol. While the vitamin K is the coagulation problems, circulation, yung pagsisirculate ng dugo natin. Okay, next. is minerals. Minerals are those elements on the earth and in foods that our bodies need to develop and function normally. So, meron tayong iba't ibang klase ng mga minerals sa ating katawan at sobrang kinakailangan natin ito. Yung mga example nito is yung mga cereals, bread, meat, fish, milk, dairy nuts, fruits, especially the dried fruits. So, ayan yung mga food pyramid natin kung saan ang kinakailangan natin sa ating katawan ay yung fat, proteins, vitamins, and minerals, and of course, carbohydrate. Next is water and diet. So why we need to drink enough water? Because it contributes to many body processes such as digestion of food and elimination of waste. So yung diet, this refers to the regular food and drinks taken by an individual. And lastly, of course, we need to also to fasting. So um, most commonly, ito ay ginagamit ng mga nagda-diet. Ito yung ginagawa nila, yung fasting. Because, ano nga ba ang fasting? Simply put, it means you stop eating completely or almost completely for a certain stretch of time. So, yung fat na yan usually lasts from 12 to 24 hours but sometimes continue for days at a time. Okay, ayan, nagpe-prepare for the fast and ending the fasts. So, that's our topic for today. So, sana na nakinig talaga tayo dahil magtatanong ako regarding this food health sa ating live session. Okay? So, ayun lamang. Good day and God bless everyone.